Evening traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna show you how I make 120% profit on the client's account in 10 days. Yeah, you heard it right. 120% dollar profit, 120% dollar profit on the client's accounts in only 10 days. Before I start, guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. So as I told you before, in this video I'm gonna show you how I make 120% profit in just 10 days. As you can see, this is real money account. Let's go to the history of this account. That's the monthly history of this account. In this account, my client deposit about $1,022. We make profit about 1,246. Right, we already withdrew $714, and right now balance is 1,554. If I scroll up, let's see what's the history of that account says. This guy deposit about $1,022 on 10th of April 2020, 10th of this month. So as you can see, guys, the lot sizes are 0.03, 0.02. I always work with risk and money management. If you want to be in the market, you always have to do risk and money management. Money management and the risk management is the key things to stay in the market, and it will grow your account, and you will stay in the market for the long term. If you use bigger lot sizes, then this market is not for you. You're gonna lose your account one day. I'm damn sure you're gonna lose your account one day. So if you want to stay long in this market, you have to be a professional trader. You have to make sure your trading rooms, and you always need to obey those trading rooms. And the key things in those rules are risk and money management. As you can see, guys, I'm using 0.02 and 0.03 lot sizes on $1,000 account. Yeah, so that's like, what's that mean is I will stay in this market for a long time. If the trade goes against me, yeah, I'm not worried about that, because I'm following my rules. My rules always work, and it's based on risk and money management. So guys, as you can see, all the lot sizes, if I scroll down, is 0.01, 0.02. As you can see, this one, I was confirmed about this trade. I opened 0.05 on lot size, all right, and we make about $27 on this trade. As you can see, this gold trade 0.02, we make about $31 with 0.02. I know right now the lot sizes are same, small, very small, but when your account is grows, when your account is bigger, so you can increase your lot sizes as well. For if someone asks me what are my risk and money management, so I never go up 1 or 2% of my account balance on single trade. So you always have to be in your risk and money management. So what happened on this account? We only trade 10 days. As you can see, this guy withdrew about this is my client's account. As I told you before, we withdrew about $714. Excuse me, $714, 7th of April. So what that mean is, like, he deposited on 10, Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, Monday we start work on this account. On Friday he withdrew $714. What that mean is we make about $700 in just 5 days. So in just using proper lot sizes, as you can see, the history. Now we start 0.01. We have some losing trades on this account as well. So if someone says they always win, that's a lie. I lose as well. I have my paid group in which I provide signals to people, right? So if I say 100% signal hit TPs, that's a lie. In my group, it's hit SL as well. But majority of our signal hit TPs, that's the reason we are successful. As you can see in our Telegram channel, all right? So we have average about 2,000 pips every week, all right? So if you want to join my Telegram channel, there is link in the description. You can go and check it, press the button and join my Telegram channel. Or if you want to contact me, all right, so my username is over there as well. So let's come back to this account. So that's the history of this account. So in 10 days of trading, the reason why I'm saying 10 days is because market opened for 5 working days. So first last week we work about 5 working days, and this week, so we make about $1,246 profit in only 10 days. That's the 120% of that account. So guys, if you want to join me, there's a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and you can contact me over there as well. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. All right, so thank you very much guys for watching. Thank you, cheers, take care of yourself, Allah.